Welcome to Unit 207, Clarifying What Was Said. Use precise language when you miss a word, a number, a name, or an exact detail. In this lesson, we will build a practical phrase bank, study the tone behind the language, and practice with original meeting examples. The goal is not only to sound correct. The goal is to sound calm, clear, and easy to follow in a real discussion. Here is the roadmap for this lesson on clarifying what was said. Goal 1. Ask for repetition politely. Goal 2. Clarify names, dates, figures, and specific details. Goal 3. Use focused question forms such as who did you say and when did you say. Goal 4. Confirm the exact wording before the meeting moves on. We will move from form to meaning to scenario work and then to guided practice so the language becomes easier to use under pressure. This skill matters because meetings are not only about ideas. They are also about clarity, pace, and working relationships. It prevents avoidable errors. A missed number or wrong name can create follow-up mistakes for the whole team. It keeps discussion accurate. Clarifying what was said keeps the group on facts rather than guesses. It sounds professional. A short, polite check is stronger than pretending you understood. The comparison on this slide shows the main principle. Professional language keeps the meaning clear, but it removes unnecessary friction. This map gives you a fast way to choose the right response. Ask for the line again. Use this when you did not hear the sentence clearly enough the first time. Target the missing detail. Ask about the exact name, date, figure, or place instead of repeating everything. Check the words back. Repeat the key detail so both sides know the message is now accurate. A useful habit is to notice the stage of the discussion first and then choose language that helps the group move to the next step. Asking for repetition is useful when use this when you miss all or most of the sentence. The structure is, sorry, I did not catch that. Could you say that again? Here are two original examples. Sorry, I did not catch that. Could you say it again? I missed the last part. Could you repeat that for me? Say what happened, and then ask for the repeat in one calm sentence. Slowing the speaker down is useful when used this when the speaker is clear but too fast for the moment. The structure is, could you speak a little more slowly? Would you mind going through that again slowly? Here are two original examples. Could you speak a little more slowly when you give the figures? Would you mind going through the dates again a bit more slowly? This is especially useful on calls, video meetings, and with unfamiliar accents. Checking one missing detail is useful when used this when you only need one word or piece of information. The structure is, sorry, who did you say? When did you say? Which office did you say? Here are two original examples. Sorry, who did you say will lead the call? When did you say the draft is due? Focused questions save time because the speaker does not need to repeat everything. Checking spelling is useful when used this when the word, company name, or surname is unfamiliar. The structure is, could you spell that for me please? How do you spell that? Here are two original examples. Could you spell the client name for me please? How do you spell the new platform name? Spelling is often the fastest fix for names, codes, and technical terms. Confirming the exact words is useful when used this after the repeat, so everyone knows the detail is now correct. The structure is, so, did you say? Let me just check I heard that correctly. Here are two original examples. So did you say the review is on Thursday at 3? Let me just check I heard that correctly. The amount is 15, not 50. Confirmation is the step that turns clarification into accuracy. Now we will look at 4 common mistakes. Point 1. Avoid pretending to understand and moving on. Instead, pause the meeting briefly and ask for the exact detail. Point 2. Avoid saying only what in a meeting. Instead, use a fuller phrase such as, sorry, I did not catch that. Point 3. Avoid requesting the whole sentence again when only one word is missing. Instead, use who, when, where, or which to target the missing part. Point 4. Avoid clarifying, but not confirming the detail afterward. Instead, repeat the key point back once so the record is clear. These corrections matter because small wording choices change whether your English sounds natural and professional. Let us move into a realistic meeting situation. A regional operations team is on a fast call about shipment timing. The goal is to confirm names, deadlines, and handoff points accurately. The challenge is that the audio is uneven and several terms sound similar. The people in the discussion are Helena, Ravi, Martha, Jonas. They need to stop small hearing problems before they turn into operational mistakes. Listen for how each speaker manages the conversation. Helena says, "We need the revised label sent to Bursa by Friday afternoon." Ravi says, "Sorry, which city did you say?" Helena says, "Bursa, Bursa." Martha says, "Thanks. Let me check I heard that correctly. The labels go out on Friday afternoon." The team asks for repetition, focuses on the unclear word, spells it, and then confirms the final detail. A strong meeting response often follows a simple formula. Start with signal, then repeat, then target, and end with confirm. Model example. "Sorry, I did not catch the last part. Could you say that again? Which office did you say will handle the handoff? Let me just check I heard that correctly." The Berlin team sends the update at 4 o'clock. Ask early. Small hearing problems become large task problems very quickly. Use focused question words when only one detail is missing. This is the first speaking practice. Pause here and turn each cue into a full sentence. Try to vary the pattern instead of repeating the same phrase every time. Prompt 1. Ask a colleague to repeat the deadline more slowly. Prompt 2. Check which manager's name was mentioned. Prompt 3. Ask someone to spell the new supplier's name. Prompt 4. Confirm whether the amount was 15 or 50. Here are sample answers. Sample 1. "Sorry, I did not catch the deadline. Could you say it again a little more slowly?" Sample 2. "Sorry, who did you say will join the client call?" Sample 3. "Could you spell the supplier name for me, please?" Sample 4. "Just to confirm, did you say 15 or 50? If you clarify one missing detail quickly, the whole meeting stays accurate. This second practice checks control and accuracy. Rewrite each line so it sounds more natural, more professional, or more precise. Line 1. "What?" Line 2. "Say name again." Line 3. "Slow." Line 4. "Maybe Friday?" Here are the improved versions. Correction 1. "Sorry, I did not catch that. Could you repeat it, please?" Correction 2. "Sorry, who did you say?" Correction 3. "Could you speak a little more slowly, please?" Correction 4. "Let me check, I heard that correctly. Did you say Friday?" Key takeaway. When the problem is hearing, ask for a repeat, focus the missing detail, and confirm the exact words back.